is GordonGroup. So I had the chance of attending the economic seminar which was organized by TD Canada Trust. And I'm going to give you a recap and a few points from the market updates and the forecast for 2019 and 2020. So there aren't drastic changes expected in GTA during this year and the following year. So let's look at the chart.
According to the supply and demand ratios, after the Liberal provincial government rolled out the Ontario Fair Housing Plan in April 2017, the GTA housing market has been pacing between 40 to 60%, which means we are in the balanced market. The average price dropped quite significantly due to the Fair Housing Plan, B20 and rising interest rates. This took a lot of steam from the market, which was pacing at positive 30% to fall into about negative 12%. However, it then recovered and grown to about positive 3% as of March this year.
So we are currently experiencing weak sales activity. However, it's actively stabilizing, causing the market conditions to better allowing the prices to grow at 3% pace. Overall, we are in a healthy market, a lot healthier than 2017. So let's look at the chart for GTA sales and price growth.
For GTA home sales, 2020 is expected to be a stronger year than 2019. However, the level of sales and activities will be a bit modest. They will not come close to the markets of 2016 and 2017 on average. We are expecting the price growth for the remaining 2019 and 2020 to be the same, but 2020 should be a little bit stronger than 2019 in respect with sales and price growth. The overall growth in prices will be modest.
So the first-time home buyers incentives that was proposed by the government and expected to take effect this September wasn't included in the forecast due to upcoming elections and uncertainty of this actually happening. In regards to housing demand, so the GTA has significant job growth and solid income growth, which is fundamental for housing demand. Newcomers. Last year we have over 130,000 newcomers, this year expecting similar numbers. And these people need to live somewhere as well, which is another source of housing demand. Millennials. We have about 1.5 to 1.6 million of millennials in GTA right now, who are getting to the age of purchasing their own properties. Therefore, demand for the ownership of the housing will rise, and this is another source of housing demand. Immigrants, non-permanent residents with work visas or student visas is a small share of the housing demand, but it's a positive share. Ownership demand is a bit slow for the immigrants, not directly purchasing the home, but renting condos that investors might have, and it's an important indirect source of support for housing demand. So, overall, we are in a healthy, balanced market with modest sales and price growth and increasing housing demand.